Welcome to our chess review. This game is Magnus Carlsen is black. White player here is Shakhriyar.
No, Shakhriyar.
So, in this case, the usual line is takes the C. C takes the D pawn. And the reason for that is white doesn't get into black's alternative variations of D takes C. And the game is in white's control. So this is just the main line. This position is equal. Instead, we see D takes C4. This, of course, allows for B5 and defense of that extra pawn, but white grabs the center. And if he did it right away, which is not what happened, but it's the right move, black can take his stake on by threatening D4. And this would be the main line. It also leads to a balance. Instead, we see the move bishop to G5, followed by B5. Here the bishops neutralize each other. White has a bit of a stronger center, but black still has massive control. Here white plays D5, but we should see what happens if the knight goes here, if he didn't commit to opening the game right away. Well, we might see something like this. And, you know, black has way more control in this position. And you see this extra pawn the black has is enough for a win, with his bishop better than white's knight. So we see the move C5 after D5, followed by A5, which is white's chance, giving up a pawn for some active play. So Carlsen does not take that pawn. If he did, this might have been what would have happened. Pawn takes. And the reason black takes this knight is because the bishop is vulnerable there. And here, as you can see, white has some play. Black's doing fine, but white has chances for a draw. So Carlsen doesn't even mess with that, and he plays queen to D8. White continues like this. And black maintains a strong foothold. Gets rid of this C knight before it can get to places like E4. White got his pawn back, but black has the initiative here. Now we should check out what happens if bishop plays back. Well, black infiltrates with his rook. Black's doing fine. He's going to get this pawn on the E file. He's going to win that game. So instead, white takes the knight like that. Queen takes back. Rook challenges, check. And then here's the culmination of black's advantage, which he had for a while. Grabs that pawn, grabs the center. White's game has fallen apart. If, for example, bishop takes, no problem. Take. And black is dominating here. And we'll just see the ending of white's chances.